and due to absence of Coriolis force, even equatorial region has a low pressure belt. Tropical cyclone formation does not take place. In your 5-mark question, this question can come. और question क्या होगा? Define Coriolis force and how it is very effective in determining tropical cyclone formation hindrance in the 5 degree north to 5 degree south latitude. तो पहले आपको क्या करना होगा? And it will be, I said short note means it will be in the 10 marks something, and then 1 page, and you have to try to convert into 3 para. How many paras you have to write? 3 paras. So first paras में आप क्या बताओगे? You know that आपका पहले define करोगे कि what is, I said that how to write and get more marks. First para. आपको 10 marks के लिए आपको ये जानिए कि you have to make 4 और 3 paras. Means 10 marks means चाहे वो optional लिख रहा हूँ whether it is GS. 10 marks means 4 paras or 3 means 2.5 marks for 1 para. 2.5 marks means 1 para. So 10 marks means 4 para. It should be what is 1 para you can less 3 or 4. So if you are writing 3 or 4 paras and then first you are writing what? तो आपको पहले क्या लिखना है आपको पता है? Coriolis force. It's an imaginary force. Yes, which come into existence due to the what? Differential speed of different latitude. Under the influence of what I said that? Under the influence of rotation of earth and geoid shape of earth. Understood? And in the northern hemisphere it is what? Rightward, in the southern hemisphere leftward. It is very minimal near equator, but it is very high at poles. And we, on the basis of this we can say that I said Coriolis force is directly proportional to clear. So we have been able to write 1 para and 1 diagram. Side में आप क्या करेंगे? 1 डायग्राम जो अभी मैंने आपको बताया था. आप आंसर लिख रही है आपके साथ मार्जिन्स रहेंगे एंड व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग एन आंसर तो व्हेन वी आर स्टार्टेड राइटिंग Coriolis फोर्स तो उसके बाद आप क्या करेंगे? यस दिस साइड में आप ब्लैक पेन से ऑन दिस साइड ड्रॉ एन अ ब्लैक पेन एंड जस्ट शो दिस वन एन इक्वेटर जो आपको डाटा लिखा था क्योंकि ये पेन बहुत बड़ा है और यहाँ पर दैट यू शो लाइक आई सेड दिस वे डिफ्लेक्शन और स्पीड जरूर लिखना 1600-800 एंड देन एक साइड ऐसे देखना एंड देन इट इज एंड ड्यू टू रिलेटिव स्पीड ऑफ डिफरेंस एंड द डिफ्लेक्शन टुवर्ड्स साथ में यहाँ पे लिखना भी है राइटवर्ड डिफ्लेक्शन इन northern hemisphere and leftward deflection in southern. So you have written like this. Now we are coming on to the second para. Clear? क्योंकि आपसे क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा गया? साइक्लोन. And now the second figure that you have to draw like this. The cyclone के लिए आपको क्या कहेंगे? Coriolis force play in a very important role if the center has low pressure. If the center has Coriolis force is playing a very important role if the center has what? Low pressure. And in the northward it started due to rightward deflection that the cyclone gets in a what? Anti-clockwise rotation. फिर mention करेंगे in the southern hemisphere if the center has a low pressure the wind started what is in a deflecting towards leftward and it gives in a clockwise rotation. Second para and then छोटा सा और इस समय आप ऐसे लिख रहेंगे और यहाँ पे 2 फिगर यहाँ पर इसके लिए लिख दोगे आप एक फिगर for northern hemisphere another for I said southern hemisphere. And then third आ गया आपका between 5 degree north to 5 degree south. Okay ना? Sam आप explain कर दोगे therefore it is not coming. Out of 10 marks, examiner will be under the compulsion to give you know that 6 marks and 5 marks. It will be high compulsion to give. Otherwise लोगों को 3 marks लाना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. 1.5 पे 2 पे ही अटका देते हैं. Understood? 3 marks खुश हो जाता है टीचर तो 3 marks and then Silurian 3.5 then 4.5 4.5 means very good and diagrammatic and then some example आप देख रहे हो बोल रहे हो, so this is going to fetch you marks. Understood? Next point that we are going to see about, generally one picture in the student do not understand in the NCERT and that I said, और इसी के थ्रू आप लोग unicellular model will also understand. Little bit idea you can be able to have. Before getting into this topic, I would like to ask what is wind and what is air? Yes? Huh? Very good. Molecules. Air moves in vertical direction and wind is horizontal. So जब भी wind word use किया जाएगा that is for which? Horizontal movement. And air, यदि आप लोग को ये छोटी छोटी कंसेप्ट नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, नहीं जानते हैं, तो आप सोचे कि why you are not able to understand the complete climate. Somewhere you are missing it, क्योंकि आप कभी ध्यान ही नहीं देते हैं कि this is saying air and it is saying wind. Yes or not? So and बोलते चलो wind और air, तो I didn't understand it very well. Now एक simple concept I want to say that, you know that at sea level, at mean sea level, we have an 1 atmospheric pressure. I have an how much? क्योंकि एट मीन सी लेवल एक कंटेनर में हम लोगों ने क्या देखा, मरकरी डाल दिया एंड मरकरी के ऊपर एक हमने ट्यूब डाल दिया, कैपिलरी ट्यूब, एंड इसमें हमने देखा कि दैट आई सेड दैट द अमाउंट ऑफ आई सेड दैट मरकरी विच हैज राइजन अप टू, वो कितना ऊपर उठा, इट हैज राइजन बाय 29.9 इंच, अराउंड 29 इंच, बेटर टू से 29 इंच. और इसी को आप if you are saying in the what is in a centimeter, it is known as what is in a 76 centimeter, and that is same into the millimeter 760 millimeter. और ये कौन सा है, मरकरी, so it is in a Hg, it is in a Hg and it is in a Hg. तो ये आप सुनते हैं 760 mm Hg. तो ये why it has been rising, it has been rising, जब अभी आपने पढ़ा होगा, तो जितना the amount of pressure has been given by air this side must be equivalent to this side. So ये इतने प्रेशर को यहाँ पे दिया गया, और इसी प्रेशर को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, yes 1013. I said that on the basis of Pascal, 1013.15 MB millibar. So this is a 1 atmospheric pressure at the mean sea level, 1013.15. So the air is having some pressure. And why do we have an air in the atmosphere? Because of the gravity. But as we move in the upper atmosphere, gravity keeps on what? Reducing. And when the gravity keeps on reducing, तो धीरे धीरे air density will keep on decreasing. Air density will decrease. यहाँ पर कितना है suppose, और 1013 when I will teach you, I will not take this data. मैं एक स्टैंडर्ड डाटा लूंगा, that is a 1000 MB, instead of saying 1013. Understood? So I am taking at the sea level पे हमारा कितना है प्रेशर, 1000 MB. How much? And here it is everywhere it is, and I said that 1000 MB. If you are moving at a height of 5 kilometer, it becomes 500 MB. 6 kilometer. 500 MB. What is the meaning of it? At 6 kilometer height, everywhere it is a what? 500 MB. Kilo. and it means it become I said that half atmospheric pressure at the 6 kilometer height, and if I'll move at a 10 kilometer height, it become 333.3, means it become 1/3 atmospheric pressure at 10 kilometer height, and at 16 kilometer height it become 100 MB, means 1/10 atmospheric pressure कितना हो जाता है? Yes, first it is becoming, I said that at 6 kilometer half, at 10 kilometer I said that 1/3, and at 16 kilometer, why it is keep on reducing? Because of the what? Gravity. Yes or not? The air, the density of air is keep on reducing with increasing height, and at equal height there will be same amount of air. Yes or not? At equal height there will be same amount of air. Isobar will be same, and isothermal is also supposed to be the same. That you remember. इसीलिए आप ट्रोपोस्फेयर स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर पढ़ते हो तो इस हाइट पे बोलते हो दिस इज द टेम्परेचर. So this idea is okay to you? No. But you know that what is the pressure? 1000 MB. What is the pressure? I said that 1000 MB. But this region is supposed to be hot. This region is supposed to be hot, and now this region is supposed to be cold. And what will happen if the air is cold in this region? If the air is cold, then what will happen? Colder air try to what? Contract. Contraction takes place from all direction, yeah, some fixed direction. From all direction contraction because of the colder air. When it started contracting, 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 contracting and contracting. Yes or not? Now this is, I said that 1000 MB. So due to contraction, यहाँ से तो होगा ही, due to contraction, this region will have how much? Maybe 1020 MB. Normally it should be what? 1000 MB. Normally it should be what? और ये कहाँ से contraction किया? Just tell me. Contraction from here, here, here and all. But यहाँ से तो नहीं कर पाया, नीचे से, because there is no earth. But maximum contraction from that up. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? जब यहां से एयर हटेगा तो इसको फिल करने के लिए एयर फ्रॉम द अप इट विल कम अप, कम डाउन. सो रिमेंबर देयर वेयर देयर इज अ कोल्ड इज देयर एंड इट इज कन्वर्टिंग इनटू हाई प्रेशर. तो रिमेंबर दैट द हाई प्रेशर जोन, it is because of coldness or anything, air will must descend. In the region of high pressure, air will must descend. Understood it? Now, at this height, at 6 kilometer, what should be the air? What is the air? What is MB? 500 MB. तो इसका मतलब सम ऑफ द एयर यहां से यहां ये कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ले रहा है. द सम ऑफ द एयर स्टार्टेड मूविंग डाउनवर्ड. इसका मतलब धीरे धीरे यहां पर अमाउंट ऑफ एयर, सपोज इट हैज बीन बिकम 470. अमाउंट ऑफ एयर रिड्यूस्ड और नॉट? Amount of air reduced or not? Acha, now tell me, if I am asking you a question, high pressure and low pressure, how do we measure? It is in a vertically we measure or horizontally we measure? I said that इसका मतलब कि यदि और विंड किधर से किधर मूव करता है? हाई प्रेशर टू द लो प्रेशर. तो नीचे हाई प्रेशर ज्यादा और ऊपर में कम है, तो सारा विंड ऊपर जाना चाहिए था ना. कहने का मतलब ये है कि हम लोग हाई प्रेशर एंड लो प्रेशर कैसे मेजर करते हैं? हॉरिजॉन्टली. ऑलवेज वी मेजर. यस, स्पीक विद मी. हाई प्रेशर एंड लो प्रेशर इज एन हॉरिजॉन्टल फेनोमेना. हाई प्रेशर एंड लो प्रेशर इज इट इज नेवर एन वर्टिकल फेनोमेना. हाई प्रेशर एंड लो प्रेशर, अभी एक एनसीईआरटी का आप लोग फिगर जो कि आज तक समझ में नहीं आया था, एंड देन यू कीप ऑन, ओके दिस इज करेक्ट, ओके दिस इज करेक्ट, एंड दैट इज करेक्ट. योर थॉट प्रोसेस इज रॉन्ग. नाउ दिस एयर बिकम व्हाट? Just tell me, this air become warm. And when this air become warm, then what will happen? This air will try to expand. And due to expanding, it will become lighter. and when it will become lighter, then the air started going up. So इस reason में I said that suppose how much happened? 990 MB or suppose 980. Understood? And this warm air become lighter, and then what happened? What happened? This warm air become lighter, they started what? I am saying air convecting upward. And यहाँ पे कितना air था? How much air? 500 MB. How much? And when this air started going upward, then it will contribute air to this. And it will become, क्योंकि ये यहाँ से जा रहा है, कुछ amount of air यहाँ से भी जाएगा. This region is getting hotter. And then slowly and slowly it has contributed 50 MB extra. And इसका कितना बन गया? Yes, tell me. 550 MB. What did it become? And इसके comparatively, this is what? 470. और ये that become, I said that इस picture को देखेंगे तो ये क्या बन गया? High pressure. And इसके comparatively, I said that, again tell me, high pressure and low pressure is an horizontal phenomena or vertical phenomena? Horizontal phenomena. And this become, yes, tell me, low pressure, and this become high pressure. The wind started moving. Wind is horizontal. The wind started moving from high pressure to low pressure. And here it is already, I said that it become high pressure due to coldness. And that become low pressure due to what is that? Warmness. And the wind is going to complete this area. And यहाँ पे air move कर रहा है. Who is moving? Warm air. So this warm air contributed extra air to this. Earlier ये क्या था? 500. Yes or not? This region was 500 to 500. So the wind is not moving. But contribution of warm air has made extra air, and then from air, due to coldness, the air descent, it has made more less air. So the contribution of this make it what? High pressure. Yes or not? And when you read in NCERT, it is written like high pressure, low pressure to high pressure, and then high pressure to low pressure. फिर यहीं पे बोलते हो ये तो गलत है. You say that how we have studied that wind moves from high pressure to low pressure. तो आप ये बोलते हो यहाँ पे सर जस्ट यहीं पे छोड़ देते हो. You are not able to understand then why it is, if it is how do the wind